so it's something I can't change. I've looked, I've tried, no one told me when it wrong. Am I feeling all the feelings? So I'm just going numb. Oh me, oh my, would you look at my we had for cry just to feel alive. Time for living a lie. Time flies, so don't blink twice.
I've been trying to catch my breath since I was 17. I've heard